Okay, good evening. In this moment, my name is Christian David Infante. In this moment, I'm going to record this class. This class of today is April 30. In this moment is 6 6 p.m. Um, so the class of this week is exam preparation writing. But in this moment, I'm recording by myself this class because nobody got in here today. Nobody wrote the schedule, the class of today, and probably because tomorrow is a holiday. I don't know. They don't like so much these classes about exam preparation. Students prefer other ones like conversation or real English. But I'm going to share what consisted the classes of today. So I'm going to share my screen. In this moment is the 6 week writing. In this moment, the idea of this class is let one of the students read this objective. So today is writing. This is A1 level of English. So students will be able to write a short and clear story of 35 to 60 words using the past simple, basic kinetics, and a simple narrative structure. Okay. The first activity to start the class is this. So the idea is on the students will write in here in the chat of Microsoft Teams, and they are going to complete um, using these connectors a little story, something about, for example, yesterday I Wachu Wachu. Last weekend, I Wachu Wachu. 2 days ago, I Wachu Wachu. So the idea here is students try to complete different sentences. So depends of the students here is there are 3 4 students. So the idea is give you 5 minutes that they can complete these sentences, and then when they finish to write, I let them to read, so I can practice writing and reading at the same time. Then I let one of the students to read this a brief reminder that in A2 key exams, the story is the almost all always written in the past tense. So here use past tense. Okay. How to structure starting an exam. So the sentence number one is introduce a situation. The sentence two is write what happened in the story. The third sentence is a problem or a surprise. Okay. So I let one of the students, I choose one of the students to read this. Here we can practice regular and irregular verbs. Also the pronunciation of those verbs that is very common. There are some students don't pronounce regular verbs correctly. Okay. So I explain when they finish to read. I explain that this is an example, and we're going to check if the example is correct according to this structure. Okay. So I choose one of the students to read this. I can read um, the sentence number one, sentence number two is check, sentence number three, sentence number four. So we can check the last example is correct, right? Then I'm gonna explain then the second activity, the task number two is students must write 35, 60 words, use the past simple tense, time limits 50 minutes. Okay. The idea is here. I send the link. Use this app, Miro. So sometimes work, sometimes doesn't work. Ah, my God. Okay, don't worry. Here, I prefer doing here. So here, this this is the write a short story, a past experience. Okay, this is the question. He was one of the students wrote this. So and I'm gonna give the time to them that you can write there. So this when they finish to write, um, I let them to read what they wrote. And then typical mistakes in exams key 2. We read this and then I send the attendance forms. So this is everything for this class. Here is the idea is students can write in past with a 1 or a 2 level. Okay. So this is everything. In this moment is have passed like a 10 minutes. And that's it. Thank you so much.